Hello colleagues, today we received just another basic question and we would like to address it. And the question you can see, so basically the question is about charging. How to monitor the charging, how to monitor their battery voltage, and how to know when the beacons are charged. Now, first of all, remember that when you are getting the beacons, for example in my case super beacon, we often ship it with deep switch in off position. So check the operating manual and move their power to the on position. Otherwise, the beacons are still off. For mini RX, you need actually to open the cover to the mini RX, switch it on once, and then close it and never touch it again. This deep switch you shouldn't switch on and off. No, we use it only when we store it, shelf it, or ship it for a long time. Otherwise, as soon as you get it, don't mess with it, switch it on once, and then the beacons will go automatically to the sleep mode if they are not USB connected or if there is no radio coverage with the modem. So switch it on once, but switch it on. Don't forget to switch on. So yes, the recommendation is very simple. Charge it. When you get it, charge it 1-2 hours. Usually the beacons are pre-charged, like halfway, so 1-2 hours would be enough. When the beacons are charged or being charged, you see the red. And the first question is indicator charge level. Yes, there is indicator of charge level, and when the beacon becomes not red or dark, it means that it's fully charged. But how the system works? There's a charger inside, so it means that when it's charging, it's showing red. But then it will switch off at some time, but then the voltage drops a bit and it switch on. And it will keep this all the time. So it means that if, for example, you put it charging, you come after 2 hours, it can be fully charged, but it may be still red simply because you already missed the time when it was dark. So it will be red, dark, red, dark, red, dark. Okay, but how to know what's the voltage? It's very, very simple. So you either connect it over the USB to the dashboard and see this. So in the dashboard, you can see the voltage. So currently, this beacon is heavily undercharged, and you see the minimum charge with the 3.5 volts when it's already cutting off. This is still below. So the recommended voltage is between 3.6 to 4.2. It will not charge more than that because they're a charge controller. But if the voltage is below 3.6, it will start, blinking, showing yellow stuff, and below 3.5 volts, it will try to shut down to preserve the battery. So the basic, go to the dashboard, connect it over the USB, and see the current voltage. You can do the same over radio. So when your beacon is radio connected to the modem, you can see the same value over the modem. So it means that if you, for example, deploy it over your building, I don't know, 200 beacons, you can check each of them one by one, what's the voltage. When the voltages are low in this field, the messages field, you will see also the messages like beacon N, whatever, 100 is low voltage or something. Now, anyway, so there will be a red message. Read those messages, please, and follow. Thank you very much.